Hey guys, welcome back to the Prep Lab YouTube channel. So Prep Lab always come up with some preparations for digital ICT or something like about IBA Karachi. So we are going to start another very free series all across the world because ICT is an international exam for undergraduate, especially in US university and most of the university in Pakistan and in India, they also accept ICT score. So today I would like to talk something about paper-based SAT and digital SAT. So we need to understand the difference between SAT paper-based and SAT digital-based. Since we are going to make another complete free course on SAT digital so that the student don't consume a lot of money and preparation because SAT math is quite easy and that any student can manage at least 750 or 700 score easily if they stick to the plan according to the SAT blue books. So without wasting time, let's talk about paper based. So if I talk about the paper based, so the international SAT digital has been started and had been conducted internationally, especially in Pakistan. So the current situation that I wanted to comparison between these two exams is that one is paper based and a student in the US will be able to taking paper SAT through the fall 2023 and is still not tested in US, but that is tested in international. The digital ICT test will be available in international student 2023 and US student 2024. The March 2023 SCT international exam was based on SCT digital. There was no any paper exam. And what's the difference in terms of test length? So the test length in SCT paper was 3 hours 15 minutes, but right now that is decreased by 3 hours 15 minutes to 2 hours 14 minutes, about 134 minutes, including pauses. And definitely the content will remain same, but the pattern of the question will change. And right now the reading and writing section is same. So paper SCT timing is 100 minutes and paper SCT format was 65 minutes. We know that there were 5 passages or 52 questions and writing for a 35 minute for a 44 question. But in digital SCT timing is 64 minutes. Digital SAT format like reading and writing combined into one section. These will be the combined section and there will be a 54 multiple choice question. Each include a very short passage. Passage may contain some informational graphics and what I understand from the ACT digital that is provided in a blue books you can practice online. So there's basically no difference, but the pattern of the question has different. So we need to understand something well, especially the math content is very much similar. And I think what I understand as a teacher, I believe that ACT digital is bit easier as compared to ACT people because there were 5 passage and reading completion was always challenging for the students. So we need to I think that's one of that's a advantage for the students. And for a math section, it's like paper ICT math. This total 80-minute math for a ICT paper, but now we are since we are giving digital math, so that will be 70 minutes. And there is one calculator section and there is no calculator section. But in ICT math, you can use calculator in all section. It's a one section, so that's why it's a calculator okay for all question. 33 multiple choice question, 11 student produce response question, all question are intermixed. So this is something like in your first section of ACT math, you need to do a very well so that on the basis of your responses and the number of questions you do correct in your first section, that type of question will be tested in your next sections. So I think that whole video tell you very detailed and very brief about SAT digital and paper based. So we need to understand this very well so that we can practice more on that. And I will keep uploading video on SAT digital, how we can make a proper course on that, so that international and national students all across the world can watch our videos and watch our mathematics, Excel, and English techniques, so that we can easily as the IBA or anything exam through SAT. So stay tuned for a more update, and don't forget to subscribe Prep Lab YouTube channel.